Meaning of herbaceous.
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 Herbaceous. The term herbaceous refers to plants that have a soft, flexible stem and die back to the ground at the end of the growing season. Typically, herbaceous plants do not have woody stems like trees or shrubs. They are usually small to medium-sized perennials that reproduce from seed or by dividing their root systems. These types of plants are often utilized in landscaping for their colorful flowers and foliage, and can be found in gardens, meadows, and natural areas. Overall, herbaceous plants play an important role in adding diversity and beauty to our ecosystems.